Megan here from 910 with another installment of Tuesday Quick Plays. Today I wanted to talk about content calendars and why they're important for your digital marketing. So what is a content calendar? In its essence, a content calendar is a calendar where you can organize all your content publishing in one place. You can set this up to include as much or as little of your content strategy as is helpful for you. So what elements can you include in your content calendar? Well, let's talk about social media. This will include what you're posting on each platform, as well as any copy, graphics, resources that will be helpful to you and your team in the implementation. You can also develop a calendar for email marketing. If your organization relies heavily on email marketing, it can be really helpful to have a calendar that includes what emails are going out, when, and to which lists. Always include links to your copy, graphics, and drafts that you may be using. A blog post schedule can also be helpful to include. So why do you need a content calendar anyway? Content calendars can really help you streamline your digital marketing by having all of your strategies in one place. This will help you see how each piece is working together and how much time you might need to dedicate to each. It will also help you visualize where you're at with your content implementation and if you need to prioritize things a little bit differently. So what are some ways that you can develop a content calendar? You can use a shared calendar in something like Google Calendars by creating a calendar dedicated to your content strategy. There are also templates that you can use in Google Sheets to break down your week day by day and then again hour by hour. You can build these out on a rotating week by week schedule. You can also use a dashboard software like Notion and include a calendar in your daily task lists. Whatever you choose, here are some helpful tips. Develop a legend and color code each platform so that you can see where your week is at a glance. Develop a naming convention so that your whole marketing team can update, organize, and understand the calendar. Include as much information in your calendar so that everything is in a centralized location. Thank you so much for tuning into this quick play, and we'll see you again next Tuesday.